Look at that. Destination to go into the sat nav. Let's find somewhere for a nice drink. Have a look here, eh? Made it to Treasure Island. I don't see any treasure though, other than that. I think it says something. Just so you know, I've actually been here. It definitely says Treasure Island. So by my reckoning, I should be rich by now. I should be finding treasure. I don't see any. I'm gonna go hunting, check out the beach, and see if we can find any there. If not, it's a bust. Don't waste your time. I reckon I might have found it. I keep doing that. That's what I'm going to stop doing. That's what we are going to plug in. There we go. There we are. She lives. Let's get out of here. Some info for you. In Florida, even in October, guess what? It's warm. Everything's in the bag. Get some airflow. Oh my god. Whew. Guys got it. Got a drink sometime. There we go. Oh, that's better. Hello, folks. Oh. Yes, I think I found a little gem there. A little view of the beach. Got a bar. There's bikes everywhere. Bikes absolutely everywhere. It's amazing. Let's go a bimble around now. Enjoy the beach road. See the sights. Look at that. Fair play to her. Fair play to her. Come on, give me a green light. That's one thing that is fairly absent here. I think it's because there's so many bikes, but you don't get as many acknowledgements as you do back home. Ice cream shop. Nope. Must resist. Must resist. Oh, there comes some airflow. One thing I can say about this bike hire experience, Lee, whose particular bike this is, I've been looking quite a bit on rideshare. and that situation was really easy. Rider share was brilliant. There's a damage waiver that they pre-charge against you that you need to obviously have in the bank. It's great. There's various tiers and different things, but all told, it was like $51 a day, plus you have your roadside assistance charge and the damage waiver. So I can't remember what the final figure was now. I'll put it in the screen here. But like I say, I checked out. Lee's got a number of bikes that he rents out, and originally I was going to hire a Sportster off him. I thought, we got one of them at home, we might as well pick something a bit different. And this was so reasonably priced. So this is what we went for. But yeah, really easy. Hotel was in walking distance, so I walked down to his place and gave me a brief tour of his collection, what he's got to hire out stuff, and had a good chat about different things. Just really pleasant guy. So if you are in the Tampa area and you're looking for a bike to hire, can't recommend it enough. He was great, to be honest. Oh, nice. Old Triumph. Thanks, man. Things like that make you want one. It's dangerous. Spend money. That's cool. Doesn't look like a California line tram. That's cool, man. That's a first for me, that is a first. I don't know what to say. I could just go stick bed in that fountain right now. Oh, who wore a black jacket? Gotta say, in summary, fantastic little motorcycle, absolutely brilliant. I've enjoyed every moment being out on it for what I've hired it for. That's the key point. Would it be a bike I'd buy as my only bike? Absolutely not. But for this kind of thing, for a little Sunday run out, I think absolutely. I'd probably want to, as I said earlier, take a lot of the stuff off it, get the weight off it and stuff, but you wouldn't have to do that. That's just me. I can't help but mess about with these things. Bike community is so friendly. Yeah, I can't help but mess about with these things. That's just who I am. But I mean, I'm out here in ridiculous heat. I've been in stop-go traffic, sat at traffic lights, and it's just happy as you like. Sat there. That's what mileage I've done, but I haven't put any fuel in this so far on this trip. I have just been out and about around Tampa, but I say I certainly wouldn't want to do mega distance on it, but I don't see any reason. Maybe it's like my bumper seat that's got an aftermarket thin base on. Realistically, I mean, if you were just munching, taking it nice, slow and steady, I haven't found any moment yet where I thought, oh god, I've had enough of this. So there probably is no reason you couldn't do long distance on it, just probably wouldn't be for me. But then again, Some of that is down to the positioning. The bars are quite low in front of me, and my back's quite stooped over, and pegs are up here. It's a very traditional style motorcycle. Sit up like this. But yeah, don't know. Would I buy one? Maybe. If the price was right and I had spare cash and I wanted something to mess about with, yeah, I would. Absolutely. The engine's great. You could build a nice chop around this engine, to be fair. I think there's a cam kit and a few other bits you can do. And there's like a 610 big bore kit I think you can buy. So you could do some fun things with it, definitely. Downsides, the engine noise isn't particularly nice, but it's unique to this part of the character. I imagine you probably get used to it. I guess it would depend if you specifically suffer with rattle paranoia. I think it is that broken. Check that out, guys. But yeah, so all in all, a good bike, I think. Suspension's too soft. The brakes aren't the best, but they're good enough for the turn of speed this thing will pull. So yeah, I think all round it's a very good package. Nothing is particularly standout. I think the main thing for this bike is the aesthetic and the price point. To get this much motorcycle for the money you pay, excuse me, I think if you're in the market for a modern classic, there is a lot more classic than modern. You know, you've got the fuel injection, which makes starting a lot easier. You've got ABS, which helps. That's on the later models. But in terms of simplicity, it's you can't beat it. You know, there's not a fat lot to go wrong on this, which I like. And you've got the kickstart, which is, you know, something a bit novel. So yeah, I think all told, pretty darn good. Pretty darn good. I think that's going to conclude my very meandering review of the Royal Enfield. So, thank you for joining me in this one, guys. It's going to be a chop and change edit, so you might see some of this or stuff that looks similar to this where I've started and stopped recording different videos, but never mind, it'll be what it'll be. Till next time, take it easy.